Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we got a 2013 Ford Fusion, and on this Ford Fusion we're going to go over how you remove the door lock actuator and the exterior door handle. Comes out as all one unit. I mean, the handle stays on the outside and comes off, but we're going to go over how you remove that, and that's what we're going to do today. So there's two bolts here that need to be loosened, to be loosened / removed. There's 3 bolts here. They're of a T27 to be removed here. This is what it holds the latch and the door lock itself. There's an electrical connector back here, and there's this wire we need to run back through here. We're going to start for now where we got to take this piece out and take this piece. So right down in this hole is a T27 bolt that you're going to loosen, and as you're loosening, you're going to be pulling on this handle to get it to come undone. The T27 in that handle hole there, and just keep some pressure. There you go. So now the handle has been undone. With the handle undone, this should be loose enough that this should pop out. If not, still got to loosen a little bit more. Go. That out. Now just kind of pull the handle toward the back of the car and work its way out. It sits inside a channel there. See these little grooves there? It has a channel that it lines up and it flies on in there. Then while you're still on the front, the last thing you got to do, there's another bolt right here that just needs to be loosened a little bit, so you can slide this piece out once we get the other pieces done. So back here, these 3 bolts right here are a T30. So remove those. And then there's an electrical connector up here. You're going to reach up in here. You're going to squeeze and disconnect it. You'll want to push this connector back in, or this clip. To get this kind of out of the way. You'll see it'll come in handy, even with just that little cable in there will come in issue. And then 10 millimeters. I'm going to loosen and take or remove these. First, this here, you just got to pop this cover, put this down and into the door itself. Then remove these 2 bolts. They'll hold the door actuator, and it's the rail for the glide or guide for the window as it goes up and down. So remove those, and with all of that removed, now the one on the outside is loosened. We can slide it forward, push it in, and then we can work this the whole door lock actuator out of the vehicle. Problems that happen with the door lock actuator is that you'll hit the door lock and it'll lock the car. Then maybe your alarm goes off. Your alarm always goes off, so there's electric senders in here that sometimes go bad, or it just won't work. So you replace it. This whole unit, you'd have to pop this connection out right there. If you're replacing just the bottom piece, and you can undo it by pulling this tab and sliding this off, and then unhooking that if we need to. But this is the whole unit, a whole assembly of a door lock actuator. And so if you need to replace it when you got a new one, just go ahead and do it in the reverse process of putting it back in. So your door lock actuator, this is a full unit, been removed as all one piece. And when you get a new one and you're ready to put it back in, put the door lock actuator back in with a new one, be replaced if needs be. And so you just gotta slide it up in here, and then you gotta just work it in here. You see, we got above this stabilizer bar here, or extra safety, and now we can try to just ease it up and around there. There's some electric line back there. You got to kind of guide it around and be able to get it in there. Now, with it all in place there, we might as well make sure there's that bolt that's on the outside. Thing all lined up, and the bolt is just hand tied at the moment on the outside. And then right in here, you're just gonna hold it in place, put the two bolts back in here. Okay, so the door lock actuator's in there. I didn't tighten these two bolts yet because I want to tighten these first. These are they're tapered, so when you tighten them, they will snug up into where they need to be, and then you'll go ahead and tighten these bolts, right? So these are a T30. With those tight, good there. And I would go ahead and tighten these two that are a number 10. All right, those tight. Now we're going to go ahead and put the handle back in. So we have our handle, and you're going to slide it back. Oh, first we should tighten that bolt. That was just hand tight before. That's a T30. It's tight. Then we're going to take this, slide it in the groove there, work its way that way. Now to get this to slide in where it needs to go, sometimes it's supposed to go in there a little easier, but what you got to do is you take a screwdriver and up through here, you'll see the plastic, the metal thing in there. You got to just push it. You got to just push to hold that a little bit. The metal piece in there, you got to hold it a little bit. And now we'll go ahead and tighten this screw, which is of a T27. And as we tighten this screw, the handle should go back in. There we go. So that's in. And then take the actual door lock mechanism and install that also. Pull the handle out a little bit to be able to go in. So we had to loosen the screw just a little bit to be able to get the lock portion to go in. Now everything's in and flush with the front of the car. So we're going to tighten that screw up. Just snug, doesn't need to be crazy tight. Let me see that worked. And then last thing, we have on the inside here, we got to run this cable. Okay, we've got the cable that we need to run through the hole. Back up through here, the grommet, and then just get the grommet to seal. There you go. And then test it, make sure it works. Yep, it works. So we know that everything has been hooked up because we were able to close and open the door. And if not, you should be able to manually pull this to get it to unlock the latch there, and then you can figure out potentially what was not hooked up. So that's how you install your door lock actuator on your Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.